So next bit, sir. prepare the process account for the month. Sir, before doing the fourth bit, first we have to prepare statement of apportionment of cost. Statement of apportionment of cost. So fourth bit working note, sir. Fourth bit working note. Working note. Working note, sir. Fourth bit working note. Right. First, statement of apportionment of cost under FIFO method. Under FIFO method. Okay, under FIFO method. Under FIFO method. Particulars amount rupees. First, number 1, units completed sent to warehouse. Units completed sent to warehouse. Units completed sent to warehouse, sir. Units completed sent to warehouse. Sent to warehouse, sir. 8,400 liters. 8,400 liters. Okay. So, in this quantity, it includes opening work in progress and introduced and completed. First, A. Opening work in progress. Opening work in progress. That is 1600 liters, sir. 1600 liters. Right. So, I have to calculate value of 1600 liters. So, this is the opening work in progress, sir. So, I have to calculate value of opening work in progress, complete value of opening work in progress. Cost already incurred. For opening work in progress. 1,06,560, sir. 1,06,560. 1,06,560, sir. 1,06,560. Next, cost incurred during the period. Cost incurred during the period, sir. Cost incurred during the period. Sir, cost incurred during the period, sir. Cost incurred during the period. So, current period work completion for opening work in progress, material 0, sir. Labor 30%, overhead 40%. Okay. Raw material work nil, sir. Next, labor 1600 liters into current period work completion. Current period work completion of opening work in progress in case of labor segment 30%, sir. 30%. So 1600 into 30%, sir, 480 into equivalent unit cost. equivalent unit cost 14 rupees. 14 rupees. So 480 into 14, sir. So 6,720. 6,720. Next, overheads work 1600 liters. Current period work completion of opening work in progress in overhead segment 40%. 40%. 40%, sir. So 1600 into 40%. 640 into equivalent unit cost 18 rupees. 18 rupees. 18 rupees. 18 is equal 11,520. 11,520 plus 6720. So 18,240, sir, current period cost incurred plus previously incurred 1,06,560. So 1,24,800. Next, B. Units introduced and completed, sir. Units introduced and completed. Introduced and completed. Units introduced and completed. So units introduced and completed, sir. That is how many units, sir? 6,800 units. 6,800 liters. 100% completed. 6,800 100% completed. 100% complete means 6,800 equivalent units into 78, sir. 78. Please check 78. Yeah. So 78. 78. Multiply 6,800 into 78. 5,30,400. 5,30,400. So 5,30,400 plus 1,24,800 is equal to 6,55,200. That is the units completed and sent to warehouse, sir. Value of units completed and sent to warehouse, so 6,55,200. 200. Next, second point, cost of closing work in progress. Cost of closing work in progress. That is cost of closing work in progress, that is units. Units 320 units, sir. 320 liters. 320 liters. Sir, here percentage of work completion is non-uniform. So, you can do segment wise. First segment, sir. Raw material 320 liters work completion, sir. Please see the statement. 100%. Okay, 100%. 100%, sir. 100%. So 320 into cost per equivalent unit, sir. Material segment cost per equivalent 46 equal to 320 into 46 is equal to 14,720. 14,720. Next, labor 320 liters into into percentage, sir. 320 liters labor work 30%, sir. 30%. 30%. So 320 into 30%. 96. 96 into equivalent unit cost 14 rupees into 14. So 1344. 1344, sir. Okay. Next, overheads. 320 liters. Percentage of work completion is 20%. 20%. Equivalent units are 320 into 20%. 64. 64 into 18. 64 into 18, sir. 64 into 18 is equal to 1152. 1152. Add them. 1152 plus 1344 plus 14,720. 14,720 is equal to 17,216. Next, last one. Third point. Cost of abnormal loss. Cost of abnormal loss. Cost of abnormal loss. So that is abnormal loss units, sir. Please check. Abnormal loss units 368, sir. 368. 368 liters. 368 liters. 368 liters. Cost of abnormal loss 368 liters. Right, sir. Here scrapped units are 100% complete, sir, in all segments. So that is 368 liters into 100% into 100%, that is the 368 liters into 78 into 78. So 368 into 78, 28,704. Please add them. 28,704 plus 17,216 plus 6,55,200 is equal to 7 lakhs 1,120. 7 lakhs 1,120, sir. 7 lakhs 1,120. That is the total. Please check the answer. 7 lakhs 1,120. Right. Sir, here 7 lakhs 1,120. Last year cost included, sir. So, please deduct 1 lakh 6,560. Now check. 5 lakhs 94,560, sir. 5 lakhs 94,560. Correct answer. 5 lakhs 94,560. Okay. Right. So, now I am preparing statement process account, sir. Last bit. Process account. Process account. Process account. Process account. Particulars. 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 Quantity in units. Quantity in units. Rate per unit. Sir, here liters, quantity in liters. Quantity in liters. So, rate per liter. Rate per liter. Next, amount. Amount. Rupees. Next, particulars. Particulars. Quantity in liters. Quantity in liters. Rate per liter. Next, amount. Amount. Sir, here opening work in progress there. Here opening work in progress is there, sir. So please note first to opening work in progress. To opening work in progress. So opening work in progress, so 1600 liters. So cost already incurred 1,06,560. 1,06,560. 1,06,560, sir. Okay, next. Current period cost incurred 2. Input raw material. To input raw material cost. So to input raw material introduced. To input raw material introduced. So here input raw material is 8,320. 8,320, sir. 8,320. 8,320. Okay, right. Cost, sir, already calculated, sir. Cost is 3,56,928. 3,56,928. 3,56,928. So unit rate, sir, 3,56,928 divided by 8,320 is equal to 42.9. 42.9. Okay, next labor cost. Labor cost. 1,08,416. 1,08,416. 1,08,416. 1,08,416. 1,08,416. Next, overheads. Overheads, sir, value of overheads. 1,41,696. 1,41,696, sir. 1,41,696. So, product cost completely recorded, sir. I told you 9th problem, first bit, second bit, third bit, sir. 4th bit in progress. So, that will be completed today. Sir, prepare process account for the month. So, process account debit side completed, sir. Debit side completed. Next, credit side, sir. By normal loss. By normal loss. As per industry norms. As per industry norms, normal loss, sir. As per industry norms, normal loss. See the production statement. See the production statement. So, normal loss, sir. Sir, here normal loss 832 liters. 832 liters. 832 liters. Rate per liter. Rate per liter. Rate per liter, scrap value of rate per liter, sir. Here losses have a scrap of 15 rupees. 15 rupees, sir. 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Okay. 15 rupees. 832 into 15 is equal to 12,480. Next. Then calculate the average cost per unit. Already mentioned in the problem, average cost per unit. Here average cost per unit is 78 rupees, sir. Okay. So, then prepare apportionment of cost. Apportionment of cost already completed, sir. So, please put up one by one. Closing working abnormal loss. First, post the abnormal loss by abnormal loss. By abnormal loss. By abnormal loss. Units, sir, 368 liters. 368 liters, 100% complete, sir. So, note down unit cost 78. 78. So, here scrap units also 100% complete, sir. So, note the rate per unit 78. So, 368 into 78. So 28,704, sir. 28,704. Next, work in progress. By closing work in progress, closing work in progress, closing work in progress, so 320 liters, 320 liters, right. Sir, here work in progress means pending work is there, so no need to write rate per liter. So value is cost of closing work in progress value 17,216, sir. 17,216 to 16. Last one, by units completed, by units completed and transferred to warehouse. Units completed and transferred to warehouse. So 8,400 liters, 8,400 liters, 8,400 liters, value 1,24,800, 1,24,800. Sir, here two items are there, value of closing work in progress. This item cost incurred is previously some cost incurred, currently certain cost incurred, sir. Totally 1,24,800, 1,24,800, sir. So divided by 1,600. So, sir, this is also rate per unit 78, sir. Current period also 78, sir. So mentioned 78. Okay, right. Please check the totals. 1,600 plus 8,320 is equal 9,920, sir. 9,920. Next, 1,06,560 plus 3,56,928 plus 1,08,416 plus 1,41,696 is equal to 7,13,600, sir. Right. Credit side, sir. 832 plus 368 plus 320 plus 8,400 is equal to 9,920, sir. Tallied. Next, amount column, sir. Please check. 12,480 plus 28,704, 28,704 plus 17,216 plus 1,24,800 is equal, sir, 8,400 into 1 minute, sir, 8,400 units value 6,55,200, sir. 6,55,200. Please rectify. 6,55,200, sir. Here 6,55,200. Right. Now check. 6,55,200 plus 17,216 plus 28,704 plus 12,480. 12,480 is equal to exactly tallied, sir. 7,13,600. Okay. Right. Problem completed, sir. So this is the problem number 9. Okay. Next. Problem number 14, sir. Right. Problem number 14. From the following information for the month ending October 2013, October month process details were given. Please read out. Prepare process cost accounts for process 3. So, questionnaire asked to prepare process 3. So, they are asking to prepare process 3, sir. Okay. Use FIFO method. Very good, sir. Here unit cost calculation under FIFO method, sir. Unit cost calculation under FIFO method. Right. Under FIFO, use FIFO method to value equivalent production. Okay. To value equivalent production. Right. Next. Sir, here process 3 you should prepare. Process 3 input transferred from process 2, that is given in the problem. Transferred from process 2. Transferred from process 2, sir. Transferred from process 2. Transferred from process 2. Transferred from process 2. So, input units transferred from process 2 53,000 units, sir. Right. So, process 2 output becomes process 3 input, that is given in the problem. 53 units, 4,11,500. Sir, per unit, sir, 4,11,500 divided by 53,000 units is equal 7.76, sir, approximately. Next, first one is opening work in progress. Here opening work in progress volume is 2,000 units. Cost already incurred for opening work in progress. Cost already incurred for opening work in progress 25,750. 25,750. Okay, right, sir. Previously work completion of opening work in progress, sir. Where? Sir, please. It is given. Work completion of opening work in progress. So, previous period work completion of opening work in progress. Please see that. Sir, materials 80%, labor 60%, overheads 60%. Sir, here one thing is observed, sir. Material work completion is less than 100%, sir. In previous problems, material work completion is 100%. But in this case, material work completion is less than 100%. What is the meaning? Right, sir, I have an idea. Sir, if the material work completion is less than 100%, that means input raw material work is 100%, additional raw material work is 80%. In any problem, material work is less than if the material work completion is less than 80%, that means input raw material work completion is 100%, additional raw material work completion is 80%. Sir, here additional raw material is used or not? Sir, here additional raw material used, sir. Direct material added in process 3. Direct materials added in process 3, that is the additional raw material introduced. So, here there are two raw materials are there. Two raw materials are there. So, input raw material work always 100% because input raw materials introduced at the beginning of the process. Input raw materials are introduced at the beginning of the process. So, it takes always 100%. It takes always 100%. Okay. Next, additional raw material introduced in process 3. So, after some time, additional materials were introduced. So, this work will be completed less than 100%, sir. So, there is a chance of less than 100%. So, here, if the material work is less than 100%, sir, that is the additional raw material work. Sir, input raw material, sir, input materials, sir, input materials need not mention, sir. Input materials always 100%, always 100%, always 100%. So, input materials work completion is always 100%. Additional materials work 80%, 70%, 100%. Next, labor 60, 50, 70, overheads 60, 50, 70. So, work completion of opening work in progress, please observe, as on beginning of the date, as on beginning of the period, input material work completion 100%, additional material work completion 80%, labor work completion 60%, overheads work completion 60%. Pending work sir, nil. This becomes 20, 40, pending work 40. So, nil, 20, 40, 40. Okay. So, that is the current period work completion of opening work in progress. Okay, right. So, next, transfer to process 4. Transfer to process 4. So, this is the output, sir. In process 3, actual output released 48,000 units. So, that output, that units completed and transferred to next process. Next process means 4, process 4, right. Next, sir, closing stock of process 3, that means closing inventory of work in progress. Closing inventory of work in progress is 5,000 units, work completion, sir. Work completion, sir, closing stock, that means closing work in progress. So, these units are introduced current period but not completed at the end of this period. So, work done during this period, input materials work 100%, additional materials work 70%, labor work 50%, overheads work 50%. So, this is the current period work completion of closing work in progress. Okay. Under FIFO method, only current period work completion should be considered. Current period cost should be considered. So, formula, unit cost calculation under FIFO method equal to current period cost incurred divided by current period work completion of equivalent units. Current period work completion of equivalent units. Okay, right. Next. Okay, next, sir. Sir, here scrap units are 2000 units. Total scrap units 2000 units. Next, current period cost incurred in process 3. Direct materials added in process 3, that is the additional raw materials. Already input raw materials introduced, sir. Input raw materials introduced. So, this one is additional raw materials. Additional raw materials. Next, direct wages 97,600. So, direct wages, sir. Next, production overheads 48,800. Okay. Next, the normal loss in the process was 5% of production. First time normal loss rate is expressed on production. Sir, how to calculate the production, sir? Simple, sir. Opening work in progress plus current input minus closing work in progress, we get production. So, apply the rate 5% on production, we get normal loss. That is, it is common to all. It is common to all companies in the industry. So, this is the unavoidable loss. That, sir, scrap value, sir. Scrap value. So, realizable value of scrap per unit, sir. There is a market value of scrap, 3 rupees per unit, sir. So, 3 rupees per unit, right. So, prepare process 3 account. Sir, before preparing the process 3, first you have to prepare production statement. Next, you have to prepare statement of equivalent production. Next, you have to prepare statement of cost per equivalent unit. Next, you have to prepare process cost sheet, that is the apportionment of cost. Next, lastly, process 3 account, sir. So, I will do, sir. Right, please carefully listen. Problem number 4, sir. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Production statement in quantity. production statement in quantity. Production statement in quantity. Production statement in quantity. Particulars. Process 3 in quantity. Okay, right. First, opening work in progress. Opening work in progress. 2000 units. In units. Next, add current input. Current input. Sir, during the month of October, 53,000 units were introduced in process 3, sir. So, total input, sir. Total input to 55,000 units. 55,000 units. Less normal loss. Normal loss. Sir, here normal loss rate is expressed on production. So, 5% of production. Okay. So, see working note. See working note. Sir, production in units during the month of October. During the month of October. During the month of October is equal to opening work in progress plus current input minus closing work in progress. Closing work in progress. Sir, opening work in progress. Your opening work in progress. Opening work in progress 2000, sir. 2000 units plus current input 53,000 units. 53,000 units minus closing work in progress. Closing work in progress 5,000 units. So, 5,000 units. Finally, 2 plus 53, 55 minus 5. So, 50,000 units. 50,000 units. Okay. So, therefore, normal loss equal to normal loss in units is equal to 5% of production. So, 5% of 50,000 units. So, 50,000 5%, 2,500 units. 2,500 units. Okay. So, 55,000 minus 2500, 52,500 sir, 52,500 less closing work in progress sir. So, units introduced but not completed, closing work in progress during the month of October. Units introduced but not completed sir, 5,000. So, we get expected output sir, expected output sir, 52,500 minus 5,000, 47,500 sir, 47,500 less actual output, here actual output is equal to 48 sir. Oh, excellent, 48 sir. So, abnormal gain sir, abnormal gain 500 units. Okay, sir, as per industry norms, loss, units loss 2,500, but out of 2,500, 500 units are converted as a gain. 500 units are converted as a gain sir. So, finally, scrapped units 2,000 units sir. Finally, scrapped units 2,000 units. Finally, scrapped units 2,000 units. Okay. Finally, scrapped units 2,000 units sir. Okay, right. Next. So, here scrapped units mentions are 2,000 units. Exactly right sir. Okay, right. Now, prepare statement of equivalent production. Statement of equivalent production. Statement of equivalent production. Statement of equivalent production. Statement of equivalent production sir. Statement of equivalent production under FIFO method. Under FIFO method. Under FIFO method. Under FIFO method. Okay. Sir, here one thing is observed. Here all raw materials are not entered at the beginning of the process. Only input raw materials are entered at the time of beginning. Additional raw materials are entered after some time. So, here columns are provided for input raw material, additional raw material, labor, wages. Particulars, units, next. Next, input raw material, additional raw material, labor, wages, sorry, overheads. Percentage equivalent units, percentage equivalent units, percentage equivalent units. Percentage equivalent units. First, opening work in progress. Sir, opening work in progress for completion during the current period, sir. Already I told you. Sir, input raw material 0, sir. Additional raw material 20, pending work, labor 40, orders 40. 0, 20, 40, 40. So, 0, 20, 40, 40. Work in progress units, sir, 2000 units. So, nil 20% of 2000, 400, 40% of 2000, 800, 40% of 2000, 800, 800. Okay, 800. Okay, next. Introduced and completed, sir. Introduced and completed. Introduced and completed. Sir, introduced and completed. Introduced and completed. Sir, introduced and completed, sir. I will tell, sir. Sir, here actual output 48, sir. Opening work in progress 2000 units, sir. Remaining 46 introduced and completed, sir. Please check. Sir, during the month of October, 53,000 units were introduced, sir. Out of which scrap units 2000, sir. Please deduct remaining 51. 51, sir. As per industry norms 2500, but 500 units are converted as a gain. So, finally total scrap 2000. So, 53 less 2000, 51,000, sir. 51,000 minus 5,000 closing work in progress. Finally, 46,000 completed, sir. Right. So, introduced and completed 46,000 units. So, all segments 100% completed, sir. 100% completed in all segments. So, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000. Right. So, that is the introduced and completed. Next. Next. Next, sir. Normal loss as per industry norms. So, while calculating the normal loss, while calculating the unit cost, while calculating the unit cost, normal loss unit should not be considered, sir. That's why good units rates is inflated, sir. Good units rate is inflated. So, it is passed on to customer as per industry norms. Normal loss, quantity of normal loss pass on to customer as per industry norms. Quantity loss, sir, as per industry norms 2,500. 2,500. So, this quantity loss pass on to customer. So, that is these units should not be considered. These units should not be considered while calculating the unit cost. Ultimately, good units rate is inflated. Good units rate is inflated. Good units rate is inflated, sir. Okay, right. Next. Sir, next. Closing work in progress. Closing work in progress. Sir, here closing work in progress. Closing work in progress 5000 units, sir. So these units are introduced in the current period but not completed. So work in progress units, work completion, sir. Work completion 100, 70, 50, 50. 100, 70, 50, 50. 100% of 5000, 5000. 70% of 5000, 3500. 50% of 5000, 2500. 2500. 2500. That is closing work in progress. Okay, next. Abnormal gain, sir. Here, abnormal gain is erased, sir. These units benefit, that is the benefit volume. Gain volume 500 units, sir. This is the company benefit. So it is not passed on to customer, sir. It is not passed on to customer. It is company benefit. Actually, as per industry norms, sir, expected output 47,500, sir. It includes opening work in progress 2000, remaining 47,500 minus 2000, remaining 45,500, sir. So it is the common to all 45,500. But our company achieved 46,000 units output, sir. So please deduct 500 units benefit. It is not passed on to customer, sir. Please deduct. Abnormal gain units, please deduct, sir. Less. Abnormal gain units. Abnormal gain units. So this gain includes in 46,000, sir. Please deduct 500 units, deduct. So 100%, 500 deduct. 100%, 500 deduct. 100%, 500 deduct. 100%, 500 deduct. So now it is common. Okay, right? So now our company is also uniform, sir, right? So 500 units benefit deduct, sir. 500 units benefit deduct. So net to 45,500. Okay, right. Now total, sir. Total 2000 plus 46,000 plus 2,500 plus 5,000 is equal to 55,500 minus 500 is equal to 55,000. 55,000. 55,000. Right. In raw material segment, 55,000 units production. So how many units are achieved in this segment? So that is the equivalent units of production, sir. Equivalent units of production in input raw material segment, sir. 46,000 plus 5,000 minus 500 is equal to 50,500, sir. 50,500. Next, additional raw material. In the segment of additional raw material, equivalent units, sir. 400 plus 46,000 plus 3,500 plus, not plus, sir, minus 500, sir. 49,400. 49,400. Please check. 400 plus 46,000 plus 3,500 minus 500. is equal to 49,400, correct sir. Next, labor segment 800 plus 46,000 plus 2,500 minus 500 is equal to 48,800 sir. 48,800. Next, last one, 800 plus 46,000 plus 2,500 minus 500, 48,800. Okay, right. Statement of equivalent production completed sir. Next.